Liana, tell me about your donut.
It is melted and it's delicious.
What was it shaped like?
A heart.
Heart.
Looks pretty good. Rocco, what about your donut? What kind of donut do you have? Tell Mommy.
Chocolate.
Is
Yeah.
it good?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
It's hot, but it's good.
Alright, let's keep this on the table.
Nicey threw it.
Mmm. Delicioso.
You almost messed it up. Messed you up. You messed it up.
Oh.
You messed it up.
Oh.
You almost messed up.
Oh.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I think I might need another one.
Another wipe. Yeah, we'll thoroughly clean up after we're done eating here.
Yeah.
There's probably no sense in trying
plenty
now.
of clean paper towel here to use.
Can I see how Rocco looks?
Yeah, I'll show you what he looks like after we're done.
That's
What's inside of your donut? What was inside of it?
chocolate.
Yeah.
Delicioso.
I mean, it's like a whole show just watching him.
What's a whole show?
Like he's a show. Like you can just watch him like a TV show eating this donut because he's so dramatic about it. Taking his tiny bites and.
Delicioso.
What are you doing, Rocco? What are all those noises?
What did you say? I know.
What do you say?
What are all those noises you're making, Rocco? Why would you make those noises?
Because we're not going to the beach today.
No, we're not going to the beach today.
It's like he knows we're making a video.
Pinky.